Mentah kesengi ke arpusan terik kalau lengkot arah hajar arpusan lapli umau nong rem jong ka MAWHATI C&RD blok hakas nong solat. Hadien babun tili kisnem kipat ba kilak kwa ban yo no laka jong ka blok. Handre hakan ni ka kenti ba mentah kile yo bat shen on sedang no ban pentre ya ka. Hakan ni kesengi pli umau nong rem lawan ban pli da u chief minister ka jelau konrad ke sangma. Rengkat ka jingedon lang u deputy commissioner ribhai u Abhilash Baranwal. U MLA ka MAWHATI ba mentah u ba Charles Marngar. U Minister ka Community and Rural Development u Abu Taha Mondal bat kiwei. Ha ba jingkra na kaliang u MLA ka MAWHATI u ba Charles Marngar ulaong ba hadien ka jing phos niu ka jong u menta kala urlong. Ulaong ru hadien san pu artli stem ngilayo ya ka jela jongi menta ka sngi ngilayo ya ka C&RD block jong ka MAWHATI. Ulaong ru wat lada ka pertaikan keren ngam salia namar sisien banga SHIM ya ka jingkit kli ngan ya chakmat na benta upat ba ka constituency. Ulaong kila don kumba prala ni kendai tili kisnong ki bompat don skul ha ki than bordar menta kila jandab baro ulai khublei kerpang ya u chief minister om tang bo aya ka C&RD block hendrei ulai ki bun tili ki surak ha ki than MAWHATI constituency na kaliang chief minister ke jelau konrad ke sangma ulaong baya ka surak ke badangsa na suni dan sya siang kin sedang no bantre bat ulaong ki pat ba ka MAWHATI kim nan kamshu ban let syakiwe pat ki jeka hendrei kila don la ka jong ka blok kenang berpensuk ya kipat ba. Bat ulaong ba on sa sanksyon no bante ya ka building ka bat mai bat ban pentrikam no ya ka. Ha kani kesengi na kaliang chief minister wa samru kita blad ya ki kena puli jong kate kethan.
At this very juncture, we also have in our haga jingpo siu jongan na penurong haga ismi the chief minister jong ke jela ke jongi usai konrad sama ngai kulai kerpang yo chief minister bula penurong yang ke jingpula ngala banon uni obi chief minister uba omtang bekti ndai takam jua dengan joint entity kene ko wei ne ki jingkawa ye jingkar jona bat shisha kala urlo ye jingyo joni ye ko block ko bathmai kene ko wei pat kala nong ne ka chapter ko bathmai jong ka MAWHATI constituency hari insan bu arsenal apabila yo ye ke jela ka jong mentang yo ye C&RD block hanya MAWHATI kum MLA jompi berkerjit yang bertanggung. I have my responsibility. Badan kejengkit kiri. Lalu kepercayai kekeren langsungnya. Sisian pengasim yang kejengkit kiri. Menghabannya syikmat. Bagaimana upaya jalan konstitusi. Ngai kembali UCM dan mentah. Jadi SHIM KHIA U omtang yang ni kasihan abdi blok kai babi. San ku asnem ke jelang ilabak. Idan dan ku maprak naik li kisnong haborna di pompat dan school building. Ngalai ahin joming ausna. Lei. Bagmana kita ke sekolah janda orang. Semua naik mulai. Yo chief minister. Mulai nak berpang dia konsumsi itu. Nasukunan go chief minister lakulan. Berpenurung yang surap nasoni dan syamsia. Usai dijikran. Ubah belum jangan konsumsi. Udah yang surap berasa sesuatu kilometer. Nah itu dari berpang yang chief minister, yang deputy chief minister. Nagaranta belai ke surap morong 100 kilometer. Ngai kudai kepang yang chief minister yang ke kabinet belai yang surap molos naik. Molos naik syakdo hati 40 kilometer. Ngai kudai kepang Nama bigla ai yang surat pamata kilometer shen sa pentrei na. Ngai fulai kipang nama bigla ai yang surat 100 kilometer balai susun lungkoi. Ngai fulai kipang na gamda surat na sentuh mau semau tadi ubil asdal trei mata ngai pro kita. Ngai fulai kipang na gamda surat akhir utro asdal trei mata sau pro kita. Ngai fulai kipang na gamda surat umtrai sampai adalah NPP berkeserta pada siang malam. Baik babi IC sendiri itu boleh lakukan itu itu berkeserta. Baik babi semua orang ini berjoin berkeserta dalam tim lupa. Bagi babon pikiran bagi pikiran. Ngan sesakkan bangan sesakkan tak. Mereka sacrifice. Ngalen ni lebih, ngarai orang mereka bagi Dr. Sidra, bagi Pak Gabriel, dan join Dr. Parti berkeserta. Nama Rasulullah adalah dan hakijur kejakan, MAWHATI jami dan cinta. Lalu baca semangat umsakran, nyimpan yo ikasi yang di blok mundak sini. Lalu baca semangat umsakran, umpat yo ini suruh berbagi. Ijat dulu lileknya, lalu itu pau baca, lalu itu pau. Siapa nafsu lagi kalau sin apa? Jingkeli kalau ipara be perta ijat berdua. Kelihatan sini sepuluh lebih. Tak boleh. Sebab ini, kawai kalau keluar kalau ni ujian minister berdekat kabinet, bilang sisai ketong kalau rak ikaroi depan berjalan betul. Ai bagi wajib tidak lebih kuat. Nai mengipat to ni meniti, menitrai lah kekam berpendut ikut korban saya. Kemudian kami ini pak berpendut ini ciptaan di sana. Tolong mengidai bandar itu semua. Iwai habit habit thok yang essay yo. The jing semua. Jadi the jing mau jawab doa. Ini kita berdoa. Kepor malam tray bagi doktor di lapang. Isi orangnya. Don't miss to say thank you. But kawai pak dia kenting kami jual. Kau your blessing. Majulah ban orang pulai, ban nyawa di jing itu. The jing semua kelahir Allah. Tapi ini semua. Untuk ini semua dia oleh cuci secara jauh. Jadi mana jadi kebelokan ini kalau di situ punya baru. Hamtam ni pun real tradisional. Nado ampreng amjong umsiang terder. Hadut umsiang halai pobinan. Islam nanti nak mawar nasok po nak insau nak umsian nak umlatara. Real tradisional. Ini tinsayo di situ pun. Mensuar kesentuhan nilai sudah muslim. Sispak kilometer na ampreng na amjong. Mentah usalan. Iyeng badut. Iskim yang badut habban ha usalan mentah. Untuk kami syuk sa muslim. Ini kena tahu. Untuk mau habang iyo. Ia kena blok. Blok kecil. Bak habang iyo ia kesin adi blok. Dan mau lupa. Bagi di department rutin sawan. Dan selong kecil ini. Di parlok nado usiang 40 kilometer di hablet Syamslim. Idon di bawah yang apa? Baca sudah masuk Syamslim hikmah. Nehadin mengalihkan masukku. The problem gede nak tahu surat. Waktu selain surat usalah. Ini dia trailer. Ila kamsuk manusia baruan apa usalah. Mentang pada hari Syawal yang terber. Sisi silpa. Dekat dengan Banginom syak yang bakal. Hati jingbe jom kaya. Hati jingwan be jom kaya dia. To yang lah berkesan. Dalam day mapi ngamyo belum namanya. Dalam day mapi ngamyo pun. Padahal kita jadi nani sacrifice. Nani training nani sacrifice.
But let me also give the assurance that this project is already included in that list. The DPRs are being made as we speak, and we hope that in a very, very short time, we should be able to tender it out, and further, we are very hopeful that this project will start to be implemented also very, very soon. To also share with you this connectivity that is going to go and touch Jagi Road. Please remember, in the next 5, 10 to 15 years time, anything between that, this is going to be one of the most important corridors in terms of administration as well as in terms of economic activity. Whether it's the 27,000 crore chip factory that's coming up in Jagi Road, whether it's the new administrative complex of the Assam government which will come up around Jagi Road. This is the road that will connect Shillong to that area. And hence, this economic corridor will be of great importance. I urge our local MLA, our public out here, especially our communities, plan in advance how you would like to take advantage of this road connectivity in the coming years. It is the future. It is happening and it's going to be big. Industrial units will want to come up in this area. Other kinds of offices will want to come up. So this area is going to grow. Please remember this. Therefore, how would the people of this area and the localities and the communities be part of this growth story? You need to plan from today. And we'll be happy as a government to facilitate the process and work with the local people in order to ensure that we get maximum benefit out of this infrastructure and the infrastructure coming out across the border in Assam state as well. So this is something that I really, some people in certain parts of the area had to travel more than 100 kilometers to be able to reach Umsling block. And that is why, as a government, we strongly felt that this must change. And therefore, this commitment to ensure that we are able to provide the services, the facilities closer to the people has led to this day being possible. So I repeat, in 10 years we have constructed 50 to 60,000 houses under PMAY. In the last 1 year alone, C&RD department has constructed 160,000 PMAY houses. That's what I mean by saying one of the best performing departments. So all 10 years put together was 50,000. In 1 year, they constructed 160,000 houses. Under MGNREGS, which is the job card, as we all know, we used to spend less than 500 crores every year. 400, 300, 500 was what we spent. Today we are crossing almost 1,500 crores as we spend under MGNREGS every year. That's triple the jump in less than 6 years, 7 years time. So this reflects the kind of capacity to absorb, the efficiency to improve and to implement. All of this is happening because the overall efficiency of the department has gone up, and as I said, I must congratulate the officials, the BDOs, the deputy commissioners, all the stakeholders, and of course our Honorable Minister. For the Honorable Deputy CM has already informed that this is part of our mega project, which is the Meghalaya, the MITP2, we call it the mega project. But this is the World Bank funded project. Under World Bank, we have 2,500 crores of schemes that we have to implement. All these projects, the DPRs have to be prepared. World Bank and central government have to vet that particular DPR, approve it, and only then can we go for tendering. And it's not just one project, there are about 15, 20 of them. Why I'm telling you this is because these take time. And it's not like a state scheme where we can just simply start the work or simply allot the work and go ahead. These are very technically complicated things which take time, and therefore, though it will take time to move forward, I assure you that I will personally monitor and ensure that this is done at the earliest. But let me also give the assurance that this project was already included in that list. The DPRs are being made as we speak, and we hope that in a very, very short time, we should be able to tender it out, and further, we are very hopeful that this project will start to be implemented also very, very soon.